Hello everyone, I'm the Downhill Dad, and today I'm just going to install a new bike rack. Everything you need to install the rack is included, down to the apex wrench and the actual wrench for the 19mm bolts. Everything's pretty much assembled already. You just literally have to install the bolts, tighten the nuts, and then put it into your receiver and throw the box out. So the first thing I installed was a swing arm and installed the lock that's included with the rack. It has two locks, one for the hitch and one for the bikes when you're traveling. Everything's self-explanatory, and the installation process was a breeze. The only thing I did need to provide myself was the Phillips head screwdriver to put the lock ring or the lock handle on for the rack. I typically try to be budget friendly on my own wallet, but in this instance I thought that having the ability to rotate the rack down, away, amp, and swing out was totally worth the price I paid for the rack, for the convenience of having two small kids and not having to move the bikes every time we need to get into the trunk. The rack is so sturdy, it looks amazing, it folds away properly. I am putting some stickers onto the lowest area right there on the very bottom to have some representation of the brands I like. The bike sits well, it was so easy to put on. I went from having a Swagman XC2 to this rack, and it is a night and day difference. And the piece de resistance is this awesome swing out action. Did it myself with one hand, so bear with me. But this right here is the reason we got this rack. Having access to the trunk, keeping the bikes on, knowing that they're sturdy. It does go a little further out than you can see right there by the rear tail light, so you can open it up from the back, just like you see right here. And when you're done, you swing it back in, line everything up, rotate this knob to keep it from moving around, and it is good to go. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe.